I was just going to say that it's quite easy to get detached from a product that you're buying nowadays, I think, because so much of the manufacturing is overseas and you don't see factories. Potentially there's quite a few in the UK, but not like to the same extent as it used to be. So I feel like it's very common for not even just fashion, but a lot of like food products that you don't see where it's made, therefore you get very detached from that. And I think it's very much a consumer mindset of like not knowing what goes into that product, like what your money does when you're putting like potentially more money into something that will last you longer and you're investing more into that product. I think a lot of new brands are doing kind of like a price breakdown of being really open and transparent about like the money that's you're paying for the product, like what it's going into specifically. So like manufacturing, labor, kind of like wages, splitting it into kind of sections, which is really interesting. Like Know the Origin stock a brand called Isto, so like a Portuguese brand, and they actually do that with their production costs, which is so good. So the consumer is aware that actually it might cost you an extra £10 or so, but actually that money is going towards something worth investing in, and people's like livelihoods. So it's definitely, you know, £10, you can have a few like less coffees in the week, or like it's not much if you put it into perspective. So yeah,